To delete a review on Etsy, you will need to follow a series of steps. First, sign in to your Etsy account and navigate to the Reviews section. You can find this by clicking on the Shop Manager link and then selecting Reviews from the menu. Once you are in the Reviews section, locate the review you want to delete and click on the three dots next to it. A drop-down menu will appear, giving you the option to edit or delete the review. Select the Delete option. However, if you are the seller and want to remove a review from your shop, you will need to contact the buyer and ask them to remove it. As a seller, you do not have the ability to delete reviews left by customers. If you are a buyer and want to delete a review you left, you can do so by following the same steps as above. Keep in mind that deleting a review will remove it from the seller's shop and will no longer be visible to other customers. It is also important to note that Etsy has policies in place regarding reviews. Sellers are not allowed to manipulate reviews by offering incentives for positive reviews or by pressuring buyers to remove negative reviews. Buyers are also expected to leave honest and accurate reviews. In addition to deleting reviews, you can also respond to reviews left by customers. This can be a good way to address any issues or concerns raised by the buyer and to show that you value their feedback. Overall, deleting a review on Etsy is a straightforward process, but it is essential to understand the platform's policies and best practices. By following these steps and guidelines, you can ensure that you are using the review system in a way that is fair and beneficial to both buyers and sellers.